Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. What is going on, everybody? Happy Saturday, man. Hopefully you guys are having a great day today. We got something in the studio. I've been waiting for a while. A lot of shoes have been coming out, and I've been trying to stay on my A game, making sure I bring it back to the channel. So this shoe here is just something that I was curious about. I was not sure if I wanted to keep them. This video is basically going to determine whether I keep them or not. And I don't know which way to lean on. I seen some pics early. I got my own ideas, but I really don't know. Hopefully you guys been enjoying the content, man. This quarantine is almost lifted, so I'm able to do a lot more. I had so much stuff planned for 2020. I just kind of got thrown to the backside, man. I really feel like it kind of slowed us down, but I just can't wait for them to actually get things back up and running because, bro, when I tell you I got some bangers coming, I got some bangers. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you already haven't, and please make sure the notification bells are on because I'm always going live now, and also I'm dropping videos almost every single day, so you definitely want to make sure you stay on top of that so you don't miss anything that you probably want to see. Also, let me go ahead and give a huge shout out to the people who've been going over to Rejuvenator, buying the new Rejuvenator products. As you guys can see, they changed the entire logo, they changed product looks like, they changed the website. I want you guys to go over there, check it out. They got a lot of cool stuff over there. What I just showed you guys was the cleaning kit. That's something that I definitely recommend for all of my new sneakerheads out there. It pretty much has everything in there that you need to get started on making sure your shoes stay clean. A lot of y'all been hitting me up on Instagram and Twitter after you've been buying the products, and I appreciate it as always, guys. The link to Rejuvenator is listed down below under the video. Anytime you use anything off my link, all you have to do is screenshot it to me, and I'll shout you out on Instagram or Twitter, whichever one you send it to me as well. Thank all of you guys, man, for coming through, man. I appreciate it. Check out Rejuvenator when you get a chance. Here we have it, man. The box of the day. The box of the day. Now, we all know, okay, when it comes to shipping right now during this entire quarantine, shipping has been terrible. But I have to say, Adidas has been doing a job of making sure that it's been going out right. Now, even though I'm saying that, this box was delayed. It was delayed today. It was actually supposed to get here yesterday. So it's finally here today, and I'm excited to open this up. Like I said, I don't know what to expect. Do not clown me down below in the comment section because, listen, man, this shoe was like the operation, man. I didn't really know what to expect, but I was like, hey, I might as well go for it, see what it looked like, bring it back to the crib, show y'all, and then we can all decide what it's going to be together. So hold off on the jokes until I see what's going on. Let's get into it. Gotta bring out the special knife, man. The unboxing knife come out, that's how you know it's getting real, bro. If I ever open this up, if I ever open up any box with like a butter knife or something, it ain't real, dog. Unless I actually get the unboxing knife, I think it's gonna be something. And it should be something. If it's not something, I'm gonna be selling these joints. I ain't gonna hold you. I've been buying a lot of shoes. I thought when quarantine started, I was gonna save some money. Turns out I saved money for like the first 2 weeks, and after that, I think I spent more money on sneakers than ever before. I have been spending way too much bread on way too much sneakers, but here we have it, the Yeezy 500 High. Okay, these are, I believe, called the Tyran. The Tyran, I don't really know how to pronounce it, but the Yeezy 500 High. I finally got a pair. I've been killing the 500 Highs. I made a video on the Slates, and I think I called them like the ugliest Yeezy ever. And when the shoe came out, I thought to myself, bro, is this even worth buying? So what did I do? I go on Adidas, I put in a raffle, and I win. And I didn't even know I won until I checked my bank statements and I seen it took out a purchase up to like $238. And I was like, what did I just buy for $238? You know what I'm saying? Like, your boy Snipe, I ain't got it like that. I noticed when mine gone. When my bread gone, I immediately noticed. And I checked and it said it went to Adidas. So I was like, yo, like, what's the vibe? I go back to Adidas app and I see I won these. And honestly, I wasn't even happy I won, bro. I was like, damn, I actually hit these. You know what I'm saying? Like, I actually hit these. So I won. My first time ever winning on the Adidas app. And I think it had a lot to do with maybe people not really wanting them as much. But surprisingly, they sold out. So it is a sold out sneaker, a sold out Yeezy. They are in that size 12. Y'all know the vibes, man. Size 12 gang. Size 12 gang. So I'm going to go ahead and open these up and just see how they looking. I don't know what to expect, but I don't like the 500 Highs. I do know somebody with these. They told me that was nice. That's only one way to find out. Let's get it. And at least that box don't fart like the other ones. Ah, man. we have it. The Yeezy 500 Tyron. Now, y'all know I'm usually talking a lot more. I don't know what to say, bro. I don't know what to say about these. I don't like. Literally, bro. I'm not even finessing right now. I'm not faking. Let me see. What's the? Okay, the color code is just Tyron spelled a bunch of times. I don't know what to think about these, bro. The colorway is so weird. So you got brown, right? I want this to focus real quick. You got brown, blue, and almost like this charcoal gray. And it's like 3M hidden in the upper. And then on the bottom, you got that famous Adidas Adiprom on the outer sole. That I tell y'all is way more comfortable than Boost. Every time I grab a 500, I tell y'all they made way more comfortable than Boost. And then you got like this weird tongue here. And it got like this weird look. It's almost like a, what is this? It's not even a shoelace at the end. There's no shoelaces on here. It's just like a, you can hold it, just hold it by this. I don't know what to think about these, bro. I'm just being honest. I'm just playing with the camera. Hey, I don't know what to think about these. This is the first speechless unboxing I've ever had. This is your first time coming to my channel. I'm not like this, bro. I just don't know what to say. I don't want to call them ugly, but they definitely not cool. I don't know if I want to return these. I don't know if I want to keep them. I literally have no idea what I want to do at all. The material on the upper is pretty nice though. It's like this soft, nice suede type material. That's cool. I really want to know why they don't have any laces though. That's weird. That's new. I believe the old 500 highs that I reviewed, the slates, they had laces the last time I checked. And they do got some good leather right here on the upper too. But this shoe just looks so weird. And it don't look like a 12 either. The shoe look a lot smaller than a 12. But it says 12 on it. I have never been more confused in my life. Let me grab the other shoe real quick. I've never been this confused before in my life. This box is a lot bigger too. I need some answers, y'all. I need answers. This ain't one of them situations where I'm holding back my opinion because I don't want to tell y'all. I just think this is one of those videos where I'm literally speechless. I've never been speechless in a video before. It's a first for everything. I don't know what to say. So all I can say, I got them. What could I wear with these? Knowing me, I'll be able to pull something off with these for sure. But it's like, they so weird, bro. I know it look like, bro. These are weird. In every way. In every way. Yeah. Anyway, here we got the unboxing. Tomorrow I'm gonna be linking up with Holla, and I will do like the review on foot. So if you wanted to check out the review on foot, because I'm gonna save my judgment and I'm gonna wait till I get them on feet. When I get them on feet, I'm gonna give it my full and honest opinion, and I'm gonna let you guys know if these gotta go or if I'm gonna keep them. So if you're looking for a pair of these in a size 12, make sure you check out tomorrow's video to know if I'm selling these or not. But I want to get Holla's opinion on this. I will be linking up with Big Holla tomorrow, and I'm gonna do like the review on foot over there. So that's just about it for me, man. I got the Yeezy 500 high Tyrons. Very, very unsure about this. Make sure y'all leave y'all comments down below. I will be reading y'all comments and y'all thoughts on these a lot tonight, like a lot. And until next time, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones. And you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but we're really putting in that work though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big. I am speechless. Speechless.